Hey everyone, so today what we're going to be working on is some jambalaya. So we're going to do some chicken and shrimp jambalaya. So first of all, we're going to get our mise en place all together. So I have a good amount of chicken here that I'm going to be prepping up. We're going to be dicing that to about a 1-inch dice. So I've got some chicken breast and some chicken legs and thighs. I'll be boning the chicken legs and the chicken thighs so we can just yield the actual meat itself. And then the chicken breast we're going to just dice about a 3/4-inch dice, just so that we have some good sized pieces, so that's very nice and moist and tender. Then we're also going to be prepping up some broccoli. That will be our side that will go with this. And we're also going to prep up some long grain rice. We're going to simmer some long grain rice to have as our other side for our starch and our vegetable. And then in the actual jambalaya itself, we're going to have some celery, some onions, and some different coloured peppers as well, just to infuse some fantastic flavours to everything. So here we go, we're about to start prepping all of this up so we have all our mise en place together, and then we'll start cooking. Okay, so as we're getting some nice colour on our chicken, we're placing it into our saucepan. We're going to be cooking our jambalaya in. So now what we can actually start to do is add in some of our vegetables. So we have our fine chopped onions. We have our celery. We have our peppers. We've got all different colour peppers just to add some different colours, but also to add some different flavours too. The richer the colour when they go to the orange and the red, the sweeter they are. So it adds a nice contrast between them all. We're going to let those sweat down. So as those are sweating down, we're going to continue searing off the rest of our chicken. Always remember, when we're searing off our chicken, we only want to have a small amount at a time so that we're searing it. We don't want it to start steaming and boiling in our saute pan. Okay, so we've got the final batch of chicken here. So now we have all the chicken and the vegetables cooking up nicely in here. The smell is amazing as it's all coming through and melding together. So now what we can add in is our couple of cans of chopped tomatoes. And that's going to give some really rich umami flavors to everything. Stir those in. And then we have some of our fresh chicken stock that we made a couple of weeks back. That's been in our freezer. Just bring it right out. We're going to pour that straight in. So now we're going to bring that up to a simmer, let that reduce. So that way it's going to concentrate all of those flavors together. Okay, now we're going to cook up some rice. We're going to take a little of our onions. These have been finely chopped. We're placing these into some hot oil. Turn that down a little bit. So we're gonna sweat these onions off. Now as they're sweating off, starting to break down, we're gonna add in our rice. And so we're using long grain rice because this works really well to be able to make a great rice dish where we're going to have some stock. We're actually going to use a remoulage, which is a re-wetting of the bones, where we're going to use a very weak stock to go with this, because this isn't going to be the main component of the meal. It's just going to be a side dish. So we don't want it to overpower the main course itself. So we're going to add the rice in just a moment. We're going to stir that through with that oil and with the onions that are sweating down nicely now. And then we're going to add in that remoulade. And so the ratio that we're going to work on is 1 part rice and 2 parts liquid. So in our case, we're going to use that remoulade, the wheat stock. So see these onions are sweating down nicely now. I think we're good to be able to pour the rice in. And what's happening now is as I'm stirring this rice around with the oil and the onions, it's actually coating every single grain of rice with the oil. It's giving it the flavor of the onions. We're going to put a little seasoning in there as well. So what this will do is, once we add the stock in, we'll bring it up to a simmer, and we're going to add it. We're going to place it into the oven with a cartouche, with a cover over the top. That will help to hold in the moisture as the rice slowly and gently cooks. And then we're going to have this wonderful pilaf rice that will come out at the end. And the wonderful thing about pilaf rice is that all of the grains will fall apart. They won't clump together, which can be problematic with some other rice dishes. So this works well for when we're doing large numbers. This can work very well for taking care of that and having a good continuous dish that we can offer around to many, many portions. Okay, now we're going to take our remoulade. Add that in. So remember, it's 2 parts of the remoulade or the liquid and 1 part rice. When you add those together, we'll bring this up to a simmer. We're never boiling rice because we want it to evenly cook all the way through the grain. Once it gets to that stage, it's going to go right in the oven. It'll take about 25 minutes in the oven. We'll check on it part way through, and it should come out nice and tender, evenly cooked, with lots of flavor. And now all we need to do is just lightly fluff up the rice. As you can see, it all stays nice and separated, perfect, ready for our jambalaya to go with it, or any other dish that we would care to have a nice pilaf rice. Enjoy. So now we're going to blanch some broccoli. So we've trimmed our broccoli up into similar sized pieces so that way they'll cook evenly, and that's very important. So we have a pan of boiling water with a good amount of salt in there. Now this is boiling away on a very good rumbling boil. And we want to have a lot of water in there because that's going to give us the energy that we're going to need to maintain that boil. We're certainly not going to want to have the problem where it can lower the temperature by us placing this room temperature or chilled broccoli into that water, stopping it from boiling for too long. We're literally going to put it into that boiling water, and about 2 minutes later, we're going to draw it out, and it's going to go into this ice bath right here to refresh, to stop that cooking process. So only take a relatively small batch at a time, and then we're going to lower it straight down in. Make sure it goes down into there. Now, the water is still boiling, and it's going to do that for about 2 minutes. Once this is gone through and it's part cooked yet, when we're blanching, we are part cooking that broccoli. And this applies to any other vegetable that we're looking to blanch in boiling water. We're going to literally give it about 2 minutes for it just to go through, parboil, and then we're going to lift it out. It's going to go into this tub of ice water, so it will stop that cooking process and refresh the broccoli. It's going to come out with an incredible green, rich green color, and it will taste wonderful, and it will seal in all that flavor. Okay, the broccoli is now had right around 2 minutes in here. It's perfectly cooked. So now we're going to place it down into our ice bath. And this is going to stop that cooking process immediately. So the wonderful thing we end up with is we have these broccoli stems now that when you take a look at the raw ones versus the cooked ones, it's amazing the color retention that we have here, the flavor that's in these is fantastic. And now as they're part cooked, they're ready for us to be able to reheat very quickly when it comes to service time. You just add a little olive oil or a little butter, a little salt and pepper on top, and they're ready to go. Alright, the jambalaya is just about ready now. The chicken, the vegetables all cooked, tomatoes and the fresh chicken stock all come together now. So just to finish it off, we have a little sausage and we have some shrimp that we're going to add in. So these are both cooked products, so we don't want to add those in any earlier, otherwise they start to go tough and rubbery. But now it's a great time we can add those in. One thing we must make sure of is that they come up to temperature. We must make sure that it comes back up to the boil and that those are heated all the way through so that we are safe in the food that we're serving. But once this is done, now we're able to serve it up. We're actually going to serve ours up with a nice rice risotto dish and with some buttered broccoli. Should be rather tasty.